Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert batteries in Olympus E-M5 Mark II. And to do this, first we'll need to open the hatch on the bottom of our camera. So slide it open just like that. Then take your battery and align it to the pins on the bottom right there. It should go in just like that. Slide it in and then push it lightly with your finger. Now close the hatch and your battery is inserted. Now to remove it, we'll need to open the slot again, then pull this pin like that and your battery should slide out just like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.